If your sneeze gets you a bless you, you might owe your soul a thank you note. Confused? Let's unravel this centuries-old habit. Back in the day, sneezing wasn't just an annoying interruption. It was downright spooky. Some ancient cultures believed that sneezing could actually let your soul escape your body. So when someone sneezed, people would quickly say bless you, hoping to slam the door shut before your soul could wander off. Other tales said sneezing left you vulnerable to evil spirits, so that blessing was like a spiritual shield. Fast forward to today, and we still say bless you, even though most of us aren't worried about runaway souls. Next time you sneeze, remember, you're taking part in a weird, centuries-old ritual. Gesundheit!